Hola, ¿cómo estás, mi gente? Hey, how's everybody doing today? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make frijoles de la olla. What does that mean? In English? Well, it means boiled beans in a pot. So homemade beans. So you're going to need water, you need a pot, and you need beans. So the beans I use, they're like a yellowish, whitish color. You guys can tell right there. See? They're called peruanos, peruano beans, Peruano. You can find them at any of your grocery stores, Mexican grocery stores preferred, because they always have them there. And yeah, so what you're gonna do, you get the beans, you're gonna strain them in a pot, make sure they're clean, get all the nasty ones out, put it in a pot with water, add some salt, put it to boil for about maybe 2.5 hours, and there you go, you have homemade beans. What you do first is get the beans. You're gonna put the beans in a strainer. There you go. So what you're gonna do next, you can get the beans, you're gonna put them in a strainer, wash them off with water. Once they're all nice, clean, and washed, take all the dirt, you don't know where they've been. Then you're gonna put them in a pot with hot boiling water. Now that your beans are in the pot, they're on pot, you put it on medium to medium high. That's some salt. After you add the salt, I'm gonna put the lid on. Like I said, put a timer for about 2 to 2.5 hours. They should be done. Check them every so often because the water does dissolve and go down. You don't want the beans to burn. So you always want to make sure you keep adding water if need be. And take a couple out after maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. Fill them until they're soft. Once they're soft, turn it off, put it in the back of the stove, and you're ready to eat some beans. Your 2.5 hours, 3 hours of boiling the beans is over. Get a couple beans, grab it, with your hand, grab one. See, it breaks apart. That means the beans are done, ready to go. Homemade beans de la olla. You can just fry these, smash them, fry them, make refried beans, beans and chorizo. Eat them whole beans, whatever you like.